everyone. How are you?
Get up immediately.
How about any? What do you feel? You are bored? I mean, in the early in the morning, somebody's come. You have to miss your favorite teacher's lecture and come over here and listen to our fun monthly lecture. What do you feel? Huh? Or if you have not done your homework, so it's done. I mean, what's good? That is the second one is appropriate. Okay. So I'm Manasvita Lal from Wi-Fi. We are into nutrition class since the past 7 years. Like Nikali said, you all have been having your breakfast, various sort of things you want to have, like what are chocolates you want to have? How about having chocolates every day? Love? Love chocolate? Everyone loves? Or like, Mama doesn't like it. No eating chocolate every day. Huh? How about a nutritious chocolate? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Don't know. Okay. So, today we are going to give you some nutritious chocolate full of everything which Mama wants, but in a chocolate form. What say? Good? Thumbs up? Over here, we have a dietitian also who explains more
Don't concentrate on phone. Just you have to listen
and
there.
in what manner. So I follow my friend Miss Shilpa. Just a minute. Good morning, everyone. We already had a session with Nika ji about good breakfast and all such things. You all now very well know as to what breakfast should consist of, right? I want to question you all, why should you eat healthy and why you can't eat junk food? Why everybody keeps telling you eat healthy, eat healthy? Eat healthy. What does to be healthy mean? To be fit, yes. To be fit, to be healthy. Why that? Why junk food? If you eat junk food, you won't be healthy? Right? There are many calories. So calories are bad? Calories are bad? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, any other reply? I can think of girls chatting. You can directly tell me. There is no need to talk amongst yourselves. I'm asking you why you need to eat healthy. You all want to grow tall? You all want to, right? You all want to be healthy. Do you like falling sick? You like if you then need to miss the school and all, right? You all do that? I used to do when I was kid. When I going to school, I used to say I'm not feeling well. Do you all also do that way? No, okay. So you all are very good. That's good. So why should you eat healthy? See, there are a lot of developmental changes taking place in your body. Do you experience your growing every year? Yes. Right from baby you grow so tall and there are further other developmental and growth changes taking place. So for that you need to eat healthy. If you eat healthy during this years of your life, this will stay with you you throughout your life. You will not fall sick even in future. You must have heard of diabetes, blood pressure. Have you heard of these diseases? So if you eat healthy right from this age, all these diseases, then it will never come near you also. What is the other aspect apart from your physical development? Your brain requires energy. It requires or it doesn't require? What all you say? It requires. So what do you do for that? For body, you eat lot of food. But for brain, what do you do for brain? You come to school, yes. That's the method by which you are educating or you are training your brain. What is the other way? Do you forget things? Especially during exams, do you feel you have studied but you're not remembering? You feel that way. Why do you feel like eating during exams or you're not hungry? Some may be very hungry. You're not hungry. Okay, see, now brain, if you see, it's just 2% of our whole body, right? Brain is a very small part of our body. But you'll be surprised to know that 20% of the nutrition what we eat goes to the brain. So if you eat healthy food, your brain always will be energetic. In our bars are formulated, we have different bars. We have a bar which will help you with your memory. It has got certain ingredients that is right by smart. They are chocolate flavored, so you will definitely like it. Like as Manasvita said, we all love chocolates, right? Right or no? So we have various bars which Manasvita will take you over, and this will definitely help you with your physical development, with the development of your brain, which is again very important. Further, as I was talking to you about height, do you know that by the age of 15-16 years, almost 95% of your adult height is reached. So if you do not eat right at this age, you will not grow very tall. Apart from that, even your weight, if you are a lot underweight, if you are not eating well, the body will be, you will fall sick very often. So you need to build resistance also. You all are eating fruits, vegetables every day? Yes, I think you are very few, yes. That's good. Apart from that, okay, so here's the presentation. We just went through this thing. You need to eat healthy. As I told, for your brain development, for your increase in height. Further at this stage, boys develop muscle mass. Right or no? You have seen muscular men. You see Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan and all how muscular they are. Right, Salman Khan. Yes? Right.
सर ये पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन रिकॉर्ड करना है और समझा ना 20 पे से सामने रखी वहाँ भी रखे लाइक एज अ प्रोफेशनल कैमरामैन हाँ
Okay, now what happens if you do not eat healthy? What are the consequences? Just tell me a day when you must have not eaten, either you are due to exams or anything. You feel low, you feel down, you feel less